Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload a CA cert and a local cert onto a Juniper SRX device or any other Juniper device. The concept is the same. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you in the first step how to upload the CA cert, and in the next step I'm going to show you how you can generate the certificate signing request, and then how you can get it signed from the respective root CA, and then how you can upload that signed cert back to the SRX device. All right, so let's get started. So this is my SRX device. I'm in the shell command. So this is my temporary directory. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to in the first step I'm going to upload the CA cert, and I'm going to show you how you can do the uploading of CA cert onto the SRX device. If you want to do it from the CLI, well, you can do that, but to be very honest, it is not pretty clean, I would say. The CLI is much self-explanatory and it's easy. So we will go ahead with the CLI method. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to upload the CA cert, and I'm going to upload the local cert that I'm going to use on the SRX device. So you can see here, I have uploaded both the certificate, but then in the first step, we will see how you can upload this onto the SRX device. Well, to confirm that this certificate, the root certificate, is not there actually in the Truster. For that, you can do here, you can go here, you can check trusted CA, and then you will not find the one that we are looking here. So how to do that? Well, get to the CLI mode. Request security PKI. So you will have to create a profile. I'm going to name it as CA. So you will have to mention the path here, which in my case is /temp. All right. So now it's done. So using this command, request security PKI CA certificate, load CA profile CA. This is the name of the profile, and then the file name along with the path, and we are done. So how to cross verify? Well, you can go ahead and do show security PKI CA certificate brief. You can see here, this is the profile name that I have given here in the previous step, CA. And you can see the information. And the same thing can be seen on the GUI as well. Under administration, certificate manager, management, and then so you can see here, this is the cert serial number signed by this domain. So this is the first step where we saw how to upload our CA certificate to a Juniper device. In my case, it is SRX Firewall. So you can follow the same step for the other Juniper devices as well. The process is pretty simple, but if you want to do it from GUI, you can go ahead and try doing that. Externally generated certificate, so you can do that. But then I don't feel, you know, this is a simple way. So I feel like the CLI, using the CLI and doing it from the CLI is pretty simple and self-explanatory. So I prefer doing it from the CLI. So now once you're done, the other thing that you can see here is the certificate path. Let me try to see. Anyways, so our first step is done, where we saw how to upload a certificate authority cert and how to verify that. In the next step, I'm going to show you how you can load a local certificate to the SRX device so that you can use it for your VPN, site-to-site VPN configuration, device authentication, and other configuration. So in SRX, if you want to use the local certificate, then you will have to generate the certificate signing request first on the SRX. Well, in my case, I already have the certificate request. You can see here, this is the certificate request, certificate signing request that I generated earlier. Okay, so what you will have to do here is that you will have to use this specific command. So this is the command to generate the certificate signing request, which will then have the cert ID, which will be helpful and will be required during the upload of new cert to the cert store. So the command is pretty self-explanatory. You will have to put the cert ID. In my case, I've given as SRX, and then you can put these information: domain, subject, organization unit, organization, location, state, country. So once you're done, then you will get something like, yep, kind of certificate information you will get. So you will have to copy this. So exactly, again, this is the command that I executed, and as soon as I executed this command, it generated this information. Well, this is the certificate information. If you want, you can copy this information and paste it on a notepad and then rename it as srx.csr. Or if you have generated and then because of some reason you forgot to copy the content, then you can always get the information from the folder here. So this is the path: cf var db certs common certificate. So you can see here. So this is the information that you will see under this path. So what you can do is you can copy this content and then paste it in a notepad, or maybe you can save as .csr, and then you can submit this information to your certificate authority so that they can verify the information and sign the certificate. Since I already have the certificate signed, so in my case, let me show you the cert information. So this is the cert information. So I copied the content like I showed you from the path here, and then I created a file with the name srx.csr, and then I copied the content of what I received after executing the command that I showed you, and then I submitted this to my certificate authority, and then it was verified and signed by the certificate authority. So you can see the information of the certificate authority. And by the way, this was the CA cert that I uploaded in step 1. So now we have the signed certificate, but then it is not uploaded onto the cert store. So you will not be able to use it as of now. So in order to load the certificate, first of all, let me show you. So there's no certificate right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to request So this is the same ID that I used while generating the CSR. If you want, you can check the information using the command. You can see here. And then I am using the same ID. And I'm going to, mention the file name along with the path. So this is the file name CRT, which was uploaded to /temp. And I'm going to do that now. So you can see here, certificate is uploaded. So earlier we saw that there was no local certificate. Now you can see there is a certificate uploaded. And this certificate can be used for various purposes. In my case, what I can do here is I can use this certificate for the web authentication of the firewall. Let me try to do that. So you can see here, this is the cert ID. Let's wait for the commit to complete. This is not secure. There is no cert information. So right now what we have done is that we have instructed the firewall to use the local cert SRX for the web authentication whenever I try to access the firewall using the interface IP. I should be presented with the certificate that I just uploaded, the local cert. So you can see here. So let me show you the content here. So this is the certificate that I just used. Maybe if I can do a curl from my so you can see here the certificate that is presented to me is the one that we just uploaded to the SRX. Let me quickly show you the content. So you can see the content here, common name, and the same thing you can see here. Issuer information you can see here. Common name is sweat.com. You can see here the information. So that's all in this video. Hope I was, able to explain you both the steps. The first step of uploading the root certificate, root CA certificate, and then the next step, whereas in you saw how to generate the certificate signing request and then get it signed, and then how to upload that signed local certificate onto the Juniper device, and how to use that same certificate for multiple services like I showed you with the web authentication. All right, please do subscribe to my channel. Uh, please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and stay safe. Have a good day.